Hello, I'm going to be cooking a T-bone steak in the air fryer, so we'll see how we go. Put a bit of olive oil on it. And I've already preheated the air fryer, so that's ready to go. Bit of salt, pepper, a bit of a rub. Turn it over. A bit more oil. Pepper, salt. Just put it in. So we'll go 200 for 10 minutes. And we'll see how we go. Let's have a look. It's looking all right. Turn it over. And we'll put it in. We'll go 10 minutes at 200. And hopefully she'll be done. Let's have a look. Looking pretty. Yes, looking nice actually. So I'm going to sit that there to rest for 10 minutes. While that's resting, I'm going to put some chips in there. Air fry some chips. Mix the juices around. Go 200 for 10 minutes. And that's it. Let's get the chips. Yep, chips are done. Everything's done. I'll just put them back there for a sec. I'll just cut this up, see what it's like. It's juicy. I reckon that's cooked perfect. Not bad. There we go. I'll give the steak a bit of a taste before I made some gravy. I'll put some gravy on it. Yeah, I'll give it a taste. Oh man, that's nice. That's so easy cooking it in the air fryer. That's good. That's so good. All right, I'll see you on the next one.